Ways to identify someone is jealous of you. There are a few ways to identify someone is jealous of you. One way is to watch their body language. If they are constantly looking around or keeping a close eye on you, they may be jealous. Another way to identify someone is to listen to what they are saying. If they are constantly talking about you or trying to act like they are better than you, they may be jealous. People that are jealous of you shower you with insincere compliments and false praise. People who are jealous are excellent copycats. People who are jealous give bad advice on purpose. Jealous people like slamming you. Jealous people will criticize you. Jealous people will rejoice in your failures. People who are jealous of others are excellent plan spoilers. They will humiliate you in front of others. They despise you for no apparent reason. They are almost non-existent throughout your triumphs. They create excuses to avoid seeing you. They talk about you behind your back. They tell you that you are extremely fortunate. They minimize your accomplishments. They are constantly drawn to you. They avoid your social media while focusing their attention on others. They are constantly negative. They don't want to celebrate you.